So it's good to know where your main water supply is at. So the only thing you need, if you don't have one, just get you one. Get it off Amazon. It's probably, I don't know, maybe $20, $30, or make you one. But it's this tool right here. So only thing you have to do is put it down in that meter box and turn either clockwise or counterclockwise. And if you ain't got one of those tools, a little 8-inch crescent wrench would do it. Or a tool, any kind of wrench would do. So 8, probably don't want no more than 8-inch, maybe 6 or 8. So I'm gonna go show you how we're gonna turn this water on. See, I'm walking across the easement, and right here by my truck, you'll see this main water supply box. The only thing you wanna do is open it up, make sure no snake is in there. And you see right there, this is mine right here, and this is my neighbor's. And I got the water on, so you can see how it's spinning. You see that meter is spinning? So what you want to do is grab your tool, and you want to just put it on here and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. So I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise until those holes match up. And when they go turn your water off, that's what they do. Line those lines up, and they put a lock on it whenever you don't pay your bills. And if you don't have one of these tools, just get you that crescent wrench. It's not hard. Just come right here, turn it, that's off. Get ready to turn it back on. You see that stop spinning? So when I get ready to turn it back on, I can just turn it 90 degrees right there, you see? And you see that meter start spinning again. So my water is on. This one over here is my neighbor's. And another place where your main valve at, like in mine, is in the garage. Mine is in my garage. Here on the right-hand side, and you see right here. So the only thing I have to do is turn it clockwise all the way, and it shuts off the water. So the water is off. So instead of using that main valve outside, you can use the one that's either in your garage or it could be outside on yours, but it's good to locate these. And to turn it back on, you hear it, it's coming back in. Turn it all the way on until it backseats. And I say backseat until it stops turning. And that's it.